Hi, my name is Phil, lead technician at Hearth Products Controls. Today we're doing a video showing you how to unbox a Penta 25 SSEI fire pit insert, the on-off series. I'm going to show you what is inside the box, what to expect, and how to organize and set up for your installation. Okay, first upon opening the box, you're going to notice a few things in here. You can see the fire pit, the insert, and the packaging that comes with it. But most important, we have the paperwork that comes with it, that is our operations manual. Inside the packet, you will see a few items. That includes the serial number and product number. This sticker is very important, do not lose it. You'll see a quick operations instruction guide. This is an accessories flyer that comes with the product. And then, most importantly, the actual operations manual. The sticker with the serial number should be kept by the owner. If you are a contractor and you are putting this in for someone, please make sure to take this sticker, attach it to the manual, and leave this with the owner. It's very important for the owner to have this for maintenance purposes, and the serial number and model number as a reference if necessary to call HPC. Okay, the first thing we're going to do now is remove the product from the box. Being that this is a little bit heavy and bulky, I would suggest getting a second person to help lift it out. As you can see, there's a collar holding pan. The whole thing will lift out of the box. Around the top of the unit itself, you'll see a protective collar with the flex line. This flex line is an accessory you must have to install your product. It's held on just by a couple of zip ties. Do not lose this, as you will need it to connect it to your gas stove. The flex line will attach to the back of the box. Please note, do not use any kind of thread sealer on this connection, as it will compromise the seal. Just make sure that after you remove the fire pit, there are no other products, accessories inside the box before you get rid of it. Right now we're going to cut the collar off of the pan. Merely slice the tape off of the cardboard. The two folds will come out. As they are tucked under the pan, and the collar will lift off thus. You will see there is tape holding the lid onto what we call the blowout box over the pilot. Please remove this before burn. Now we have your fire pit unpacked, we have your flex line and all of your accessories. You are ready for installation. Thank you for purchasing from HPC Fire Inspired. Thank you.